This is my fourth time of trying to record an answer to this because there's so many different variables on that and I'm getting myself into lots of different tangents off. So I'm going to try and be very strict on this one if I can. So does fasting help clear any long-standing poo? It can do. However, if your bowel isn't working very well and the peristalsis isn't working and you're not pushing things through, the only reason that you're going to the loo then is because we're getting one bus coming in and pushing another bus out at the other end of the bowel, so to speak. When we make poo, though, it's liquid. And as it comes into the bowel, we take water out of it to try and sort of start to thicken it up a little bit. And then we start to mix in other things that been put into the bowel that need to get removed, that we need to poo out basically. So if we're fasting, we're actually not having that process. So in reality, if you're fasting, you probably need to be doing other things as well to try and remove that poo. So, for example, some of the products that we're bringing out soon, would help with that. And you can do those at home, but, just fasting on its own, and then not doing anything to help the bowel isn't really that helpful in all honesty, unless you're having perfect bowel movements. And if you are having really good bowel movements and they continue to work while you're fasting, that's great. But for most people, that's not really the case. I hope that helps anyway, but I could speak for hours about fasting. I'm a great fan of it. I've been to Thailand. I've done a detox there, which is fasting for a week. And then you do 2 enemas a day, with lots of bits and pieces that you take to help move things through because of the fact that you're not eating anything. So, it's a big subject, but we will be touching on it later, I'm sure. Okay. Hope that helps anyway.